Okay, so it's day 6 of my so-called challenge. So markets are maybe a bit better, but I'm obviously not. Uh, I mean, yeah, I'm also a bit better, but so what I tried to do today is I had this watch list for some pairs. Also worked through my trading plan a bit, just edited it slightly, added some mindset stuff. I want to reread it more often. So mm, as for the entry, so this is just forward test. Actual entries are here. So this is basically the best entry from the context perspective, but on the daily we are a bit overextended from the EMAs, but again right now we are just looking to take these all-time highs, and it's interesting that Germany 30 already took all-time highs, but US 500, US 100, and US 30. Oh, and US 30 just did it. Yeah, so we are waiting for US 500 and 100 to catch up. So contextually, this was a good entry. However, on the middle time frames, actually on 4 hours, we are quite fine. So we had this accumulation into reaccumulation into reaccumulation confirmed, and now 1 to 3. So we are good to go. I have the rules that I can enter until even 7 shifts like this, but if we look at 1 hour, we start to see that we are starting to slope to go in a longer time range, and usually these ranges they tend to continue in this manner, same way on 30 minutes and so on. Price action is not that clear. So if I ask myself what is the most probable scenario from here, so what the price can do, the price can do like this, it can do this just for a long time, it can do something like this, so stopping out, it can go up, stop out, and then into profit, it can go into profit and into management, it can go into profit a bit, then stop out, and then into profit with management, or it can go into profit a bit and just stop out, and so on. And from all these scenarios, I need to ask myself, what are the most probable? So for me, the most probable scenario, given the fact that we are entering during lower volume session, will be something like this. So some kind of a megaphone, and then during New York, setting up and go. So let's see. But contextually, this is a very bullish market. Gold, I entered here, it went into profit, I manually closed at minus 0.5. And why I did it? Because the price just didn't want to hold itself, so it went to the upside, and in theory it should have continued from here, but it just impulsively broke down, then up, and then this was the second chance it could continue, but it started to fail again, and I just closed. GU entered here again. Contextually, this is a poor entry, so because we are in this really bullish range. Yes, it's a bit overextended, and yes, we have some arguments for downside on weekly, but in the moment it's just unclear, and I also exited at break even. Oh, I don't know, I just can't find my trading. I mean, I know what I need to do, but just opportunities are just like failing. I don't know. Like maybe it's because of the season, maybe I don't know. So these are all forward tested. So if I don't tell that this was the entry, then it's forward tested. Yeah, something on 4 hour on 5 minutes here on UJ, but as you can see, it's also yeah, 5 minutes is something, but 1 hour. I mean, what is the most probable scenario here like this? it's not a situation where we should enter. This one was much better area for entry. This one will probably just be like this. This is my equity curve on this challenge right now.